Hello, my name is Lalu and you are watching my channel Lalu Teacher. Please, I'm going to show you how to I'm going to show you how to see the live YouTube subscribers in the computer. Okay, first you have to go on Chrome, and then you have to type live subscriber count. Then there will be first link, click on it, and this page will take you on social blade. Okay, then click on enter YouTube username. Then for example I'm clicking on Techno Gamers. So okay, so search this, and after that select the channel. Okay, here will be coming the how many views are came, and how many subscriber and views is coming. So if you want to see the live subscribers, go on live subscriber count. Okay, here will be the live subscriber count, and then you have to see all the subscribers. Okay, then thanks for watching. Thanks for watching the video.